Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this short video, I just want to show you how to pronounce Kurdish E, because you know we have two kinds of E. One of them is short, one of them is long, right? So for example, when you say ker, which is with short E, it means donkey, ker. But if you say care, it is knife, okay? For example, we have pel. Pel means page. Okay, pel. And if you say pale, it means wave. Or for example, we have shar. Shar, it means war, okay, fighting. But if you say share, it's lion, okay, it is animal. So another one we have khwa. It's our reflexive pronoun, khwa. And we have khwe. Khwe, it means salt, okay, khwe. So don't forget, long one should be pronounced long. So for example, care, share, khwe, pel. And short one should be pronounced shortly. Care, pel, khwe, shar. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye bye. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this very short video, we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb buyin to become in Kurmanji. So for example, you wanted to say, I am a cat, you are a cat, he is a cat, she is a cat. Okay, so it is very easy. First you will put your pronoun and then your noun and your copula, your ending. Okay, so it will be as psikim, I am a cat. Tu psiki, you are a cat. Ew psike, he, she, it is a cat. Psiken, we are cats. Hun psiken, you guys are cats. Ew psiken, they are cats. So the important thing is here, you say ew psike, right? And we say they are cats, ew psiken. So be careful about these a and because beginnings are same, right? Beginnings are very same. Because in Kurmanji we don't have any plural form for nominatives. So the endings, your copula, will show that the number of subject, okay? Opsike, opsiken, okay? So I think it's very easy. That's all for today, for this video. Have a good day. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this very short video, we are going to learn two main questions. One of them is ki, which means who. The other one is che, it means what. So ki and che. So if you want to say who is this, who are you, who am I, who are they, it will be, for example, as ki me, who am I. Tu ki ye, who are you. Ew ki ye, who is she, he, it. Kine, who are we. Hun kine, who are you guys. Ew ki ne, who are they. And che, with che, you will say, for example, ev chie, what is this? Ev penuse. And you will say, let me show you, for example, this. So you will say, what are these? So, and we will say ev chine, and it will be ev pertuken, okay? So, it will be ev chie, ev chine. What is this? What are these? Okay? Ki and che. Don't forget. So, that's all. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this video, we are going to learn how to conjugate present tense verbs. So, but I have a bad news for you. In Kurmanji, to find present stem, we don't have any rules. Okay, so you have to memorize them. Okay, so let's start with the verb. For example, kırın, it means to do. Okay, and sometimes it means to put, but basically it means to do. So kırın, the present stem is just k. And if you want to say I do, you do, he does, we, you, they do, we will say as dikem, to diki, au dike, hun, au diken. Okay, let's repeat. As dikem, to diki, au dike, hun, au diken. For example, another verb, let's say chuyin, it means to go, and the present stem is ch. So we will say as dichim, I go, to dichi, you go, ew diche, he, she, it goes, hun, ew dichen, where you go, we, you, they go. Don't forget, for all plurals it is same. Hun, ew dichen, hun, ew diken. Okay, so that's all for this video, and have a very good week. For now, see you. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this video we are going to learn how to conjugate compound verbs in the present tense. So in Kurmanji we have several compound verbs like raketin, razan, vegerin, vergerandin, berdan, etc. And then these are with their conjugations are a bit different from normal verbs. So, for example, you want to conjugate the verb raketin. For present tense, we will say as radikevim, tu radikevi, ev radikevi, radikevin, hun radikevin, ev radikevin. Okay? So, and if you want to say it negative form, it will be as ranakevim, tu ranakevi, hun ranakevin, ev ranakevin, ranakevin. As you see, we put our present tense prefix the or na for negative form. You have to insert it between this main verb and prefix, because, for example, in the verb raketin, ra is prefix and ketin is main verb. So you say as radikevim, tu radikevi, ev radikevi, radikevin, hun radikevin, ev radikevin. Okay, so and let's try once more. Another with another verb. So let's say which one? Berdan. Okay, it means to leave or to allow. So it will be as berdedim, tu berdedi, ev berdede, hun ev berdeden. And for negative form, as bernadim, tu bernadi, ev bernade, hun ev bernade. Okay, so it's really hot. I need to go. Very good day. Bye bye. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this video we are going to learn how to say I want to do, I want to tatatan, I want tatatan. Okay, so it is very easy in Kurmanji. You know our verb to want is khwasten. So we say as dukhazim tatatan. But second verb should be in subjunctive form. Okay, subjunctive means it has to have b. So it will be as dukhazim bichim, I want to go. As dukhazim bukhinam, I want to read. As dukhazim bukhum, I want to eat. As dukhazim bkhabitam, I want to work. As dukhazim bkurmanji ba'khavam, I want to speak in Kurdish. As dukhazim bichim gundekhwa, I want to go to my town, my village. Or as dukhazim tatatan. So it will be, you will start with as dukhazim, and then you will continue your present subjunctive. Okay, and if you want to use negative form, like I don't want tatatan, it will be as nakhwazim tatatan, as nakhwazim bichum, as nakhwazim bibinam, I don't want to see. As nakhwazim bukhum, I don't want to eat. As nakhwazim bukhabitam, I don't want to study. As you see, it is very easy. Just you have to learn by heart and study hard. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this video, we are going to learn how to ask someone's job, someone's occupation. So, it is very easy. So, our question is, karete chiye? What's your job? What's your occupation? So, karete chiye? Karimin chiye? که از خواندکارم I'm a student. کاری وی چیه؟ او ماموستهیه. کاری وی چیه؟ او پارزره. She's a lawyer. کاری ما چیه؟ What's our job? پزشکن. We are doctors. کاری وی چیه؟ What's your job guys? او اندزیارن. They are engineers. کاری وان چیه؟ What's their job? او چنه؟ او برمالینه. They are housewives. Okay, so the question is karete چیه? What's your job? Okay, karete چیه?